I welcome you back to Jobit Academy. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that can help you create powerful designs, whether it be a birthday flyer, a political poster, an invitation card, or any other design that you want to create. Basically, there are so many AI tools that you can use to create designs. One of them is Adobe Firefly. So if you want to get a video of how to use Adobe Firefly, get to the description. I've pasted the link there. Go and then watch. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design using Canva. So let's launch our browser, and then in the address bar, let's type canva.com. This will send us to a page. Okay, so we, as a new person here, you need to sign up. So you sign up, and then you select your account, your Gmail account that you want to use. Okay, so after signing up, you're going to see this interface. Okay, so you can see that I have some recent projects here, so don't worry about that if you're not seeing that. So if you're new to this platform, you're not going to see this kind of designs here because these are designs I've already created. Okay, so you can see from the top here that we have three sections of this particular website. You have your design sessions, you have your templates, and you have the Canva. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a design from the template and also end it with how to create a design from the Canva AI. Now, with the template, you need to select the template first. Then, after that, in this search box, you are going to type the kind of template that you want to use. Which kind of design you want to create? Are you going to create a political poster you can see from here? Or is it a birthday card or a birthday flyer or invitation card, a book cover, or any other kind of design that you want to create? You just type it here. So let's say we want to type or we want to design a birthday flyer. So you just type birthday flyer. You then hit on the arrow button here to submit. So the moment you submit it, you're going to see that it will display a bunch of designs that you can select from. So you can just go through and get the one that you want, the one that you prefer. So let's say we want to design this. But one thing you must note here is that this site is not completely free. There are some templates here that are for premium versions. Good. So we are using the free version here. So we are going to select a free template so that we can use. Basically, the free templates, some are also powerful that you can use. Okay, so let's go through and see. Okay, so I think this one is one of the free versions, so you can just click on it and then you go to customize this template. Just click on the customize this template. Then this will give you an option to edit, change anything that you want to change here. So let's try and let me take you through some few steps of how to edit this particular template. Okay, so now if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, like this video, give us your comments, and we will attend to you. Okay, so let's dive in. So any feature that you want to edit here, just make sure you click on it. So let's say we want to change the picture here. Just select the picture here, then you go to upload. Go to uploads, and then you click on upload files to upload your image that you want to. Go to your system, it will be uploaded. You select the image that you want to upload, and then you click on open. That particular image will be uploaded here for you. You can see that I have uploaded some images here, so I just want to use one of them. So let's say I want to use this one because the image here, that's the image I want to replace, so it is already selected. Then you come to this section and then click here. Okay, so you can just drag it and then fix it inside the circle. You can see from here, now it is now fixed here. So any other feature that you want to change, you can just click on this, the text icon here. So let's say happy birthday, you can just click on it once. Okay, or you just click on it twice. Or just click on it once, and then you can click on this one to create some magic write for you. But we don't use the magic write, just want to type it ourselves. So just double click on it to highlight everything for you, then just use your keypad to make the editing. So anything that you want to edit, you can just edit it. Now maybe you want to add some name, So let's say happy birthday, then you want to add the person's name here. You can just select this particular layer, this particular text. Then you see that there's a plus in the box icon here. So when you hover your mouse on it, it will say duplicate. So just click on it to create a copy of this image. See that now the image is the text is rather copied or created a copy. So just double click on it and then add the name. Let's say you want to add say let's say Ziggy. Okay, that's the name of the person you are celebrating. So just drag it somewhere where you want to place. Let's say you want to place it here. You can just use the anchor points to size it up here. You can also come to, whilst the text is selected, come to this options here. We have the text color here. You can just change the text color to any other color you want to use. Okay, we want to maintain this one. You can underline it, change the case, check the alignment through, and then even if it's bulletin or list, you can just do this. So these are some of the things that you can do with that particular text. Good. You can come to this section and change the font. So if the font is not okay for you, you can just select it and then scroll through and get a different font and then use it. Okay, so you can see from here that we have this particular design here. So after doing everything and you're okay with what you are seeing, the next thing you do is to come to this section here where you see share. Just click on the share and then wait for this particular button to appear. That's the download button. Just click on download button, then you select the file type. You want to save it in PNG format. I prefer JPG format, so just click on JPG format by clicking here and then selecting from the list. You can increase the size by this one because you are using a free version. It has a restriction. You cannot select more than one size, so you can see that it is fixed as one. So you want to try to change it, it will give you a prompt to upgrade, but we don't want to upgrade, so we just maintain the all other features here and then just click on download. It should be downloaded into your system. Good. So that is how to use the template. So there are so many templates that you can select from. Okay, so now let's go back and then use let's go to this thing, the AI, the Canva AI. So let's go to the file. Okay, let's close this one. Let's close this and then get back to the home screen again. So we see the third option here is the Canva AI. With this Canva AI, it deals with prompts, just like ChatGPT. When you give it a prompt, it's like you are chatting with it. You're telling the AI what you want. So just select it, and then at this particular box here, just describe the kind of image that you want. But there's one thing, maybe the kind of design that you want, there is a picture that you want to add. Maybe, like I said, a birthday flyer, you need to add a picture of the person who is celebrating the birthday. With this one, let's first of all upload the image. So you see the plus icon here, you click on it, and then you go through your system, you upload. If you want to upload, maybe it's not part here, you just want to upload, make sure the upload button is clicked, then you go to upload files here, then you upload the kind of image that you want to use, click on open, then it will be seen here. So you select the kind of image that you want to use, just click on it once and then click on use image. You see that the image will be uploaded here. So now we are going to describe what you want to design. So you just type I want to create birthday flyer. I'll create it, don't worry, birthday flyer. So this is what you want to design. You want to design a birthday flyer, but you want the image you have uploaded to be part of the birthday flyer. So you need to tell the AI that this is what you want to do. So you are designing a birthday flyer for the uploaded image. So with this one, it will make reference to the image that you have uploaded, because you want to create a flyer for the uploaded image, this particular image here. So after this, you just go to this arrow and then click on it. So let's wait for it to upload and then do the magic for us. So you can see that it's now chatting, so it says thinking. So with some few minutes, you see that it will generate 4 different birthday flyers for you here. You can see from here you have 4 different of them, so you can just click on it and then view it. And if you're okay with what you're seeing, that means you need to do some few editing to it. So let's select one of them. But one thing is that if you are not okay with what you are seeing, you can still go back again, and then give another description. You see from here. So this is an AI, this is not a human being, so it may think otherwise. So with that one, you need to give it a prompt in such a way that it will give you what you actually want. So just a tutorial session, that's why I just gave a simple prompt. But if you want to get a good prompt, you can go to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt of the kind of design that you want. Then come and pick the prompt here and you are good to go. So now let me show you how to edit it after the AI is giving you the images. Now if the images are generated for you, you're going to see that there's a pencil icon at the edge of each of the image. This shows that you can edit it. So let's just come and click on the pencil icon here. Then you have these features. So anything that you want to edit or anything that is editable here, it will give you the option to edit. You can see that you have this one, the birthday bash celebration. If you want to edit it, you can just click on it. Then this text box here, this text box will appear and it just choose the editing that you want to edit. If you want to select this one, you can just select it and then edit it. Okay, so maybe you want to clear it off, you just rub it off and then you just enter space. Just enter space and then click on this particular icon. You see that the text will be displayed, the text display will be cut off. Good. So any editing that you want to do, you just do it here, or you can use the Canva editor. You can use the Canva editor to edit it. So let's use the Canva editor. You just click on use Canva editor, then it will send you to where we were dealing with the templates. To send you that session, that one too, you can just click on the layers or the items there, then you edit it. You see, when we are editing at the AI session, it's very difficult for you to change the image, but at this session here, you can just change the image by using the previous process that I taught you. Just select the image here, you can just drag it here and then release it, the image will be replaced. So after everything, then you go to share, then you just download. Good. So please, this is how we can create powerful designs with less effort. All you need is some simple graphic design content, or sorry, some simple graphic design skills, your content, your idea, and then you're good to go. So please, if this video is very useful to you, please don't forget to like this video, give us your comments, you can share for others to also benefit. Okay, so on this note, I'll end this lesson here and we shall meet in another lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.